Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create your event website using different event dynamic snippets or blog. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here a module Dev website event snippets. First install this module, so click on this activate button. In top right corner display here this edit button, now click on. And provided here event snippets under this blog section. Now click on. And under this event snippets category, display here all related snippets. Provided here festival. Also provided event calendar. Coming up event. Event schedule, total programs. And also provided countdown. You can easily add here on your website. If you want to change or modify, then easily modify it under this customization tab. You can change here either like bold, italic, also change here font color. And easily add here link. Let's say again click on this edit button, and below provided here event snippet, just drag and drop here. Like I want to add event ticket pricing, so just drag and drop here on your website. So now display here planning like a basic, popular, VIP. You can change here and register now. Also provided event gallery. Just select and easily apply here document, icon, change image, and also add URL for the videos. So using this our app, you can create your website with a 32+ professional design, making it easy to create beautiful page for a conference, workshop, and meetup without any coding. So if you found this helpful, do it like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.